My beloved friends, today I will talk on the benefits of seeds of papaya fruit. I know many of you must know benefits of papaya fruits, but very few of you know benefits of papaya fruit seeds, and these seeds are valuable more than a gold. I know you know how papaya reacts in your body when you eat papaya fruit, but papaya fruit seeds are also very important for human body. So next time you eat a papaya fruit, don't throw its seeds. You can store them and you can use those seeds later for your health. So let me tell you first benefit. Seeds of papaya are really helpful for liver cleansing. If you can take with lemon these seeds, trust me, these seeds will help you to cleanse your body, to cleanse your liver, and a lot of detoxification in your body. That is the first benefit. Second benefit is, if you are facing stomach disorder problems, if you are facing problems which are really complexed in your stomach, and you are facing this digestion problem, your problem in stool, this lemon and combination of lemon and as well as these papaya seeds, it can help you immensely. It can help you in thousands of ways to improve your digestion. Third benefit is for men. Many people, they face problem of sperm counting and they cannot produce kids because of less sperm counts in their semen. So if you are facing this kind of problem, then you can use papaya seeds with honey, or you can use papaya seed with desi ghee, purified butter, or you can use it with milk or honey. If you can use it, and within 3 months you will see the magic and your sperm count will improve. So papaya seeds are very helpful. Don't throw these seeds, and it can help you in many problems of your health. If you have any question, you can ask it anytime. Sending you lots of love. Namaste.